Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Crab and the Crane. A moral story: the wicked are always punished for their deeds. All the ponds had dried up, because there had been no rain from a month. The lives of the fish in the ponds had become difficult. A crane came to the fish and said, "Come on, friends, I will take you to a pond where the water is deep. There is plenty of water for you all." All the fish discussed the crane's offer. Finally, they all agreed. The fish trusted the crane. But the crane took the fish one by one and ate them. Only the bones of the fish were left. The last creature left in the pond was a crab. The crane took the crab on his back. But, as the crane was about to eat the crab clawed the crane so hard that he broke the crane's neck. The wicked crane died.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.